Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, we will see how you can attend a scheduled course as a learner in WizIQ. So the moment you have been enrolled into a scheduled course by the instructor, you will receive an email notification informing that you have been enrolled to a course and you find an option of exploring your course. So you will click on this option. Then you will land on the courses page wherein you can see the overview, course highlights, and the entire schedule which has been created by the instructor. You can also contact the instructor in case you want through the email. Once you have logged in into the platform, then on the right hand side you find the option of start learning. You can also see that right now the completion is 0%. If you want to see the entire schedule, then you can click on schedule button. On the right hand side you can see these locks, which means that you will have to consume the content sequentially. And the asterisk mark which is visible here basically implies that this particular activity is a mandatory activity within the course, which means all these activities will need to be completed by the learner in order to get a course completion certificate. You also have discussion forums wherein you can start a discussion amongst the learners. So on the bottom right you can click on new discussion. You can enter the title of the discussion. You can add tags in case it is required. You can also add the description to the discussion topic, and finally submit. The moment you submit, you will find that the discussion topic will get listed under the discussion forum and multiple students can either respond to the discussion or they can also comment if it is required. So this is how your discussion forum is going to look like when you are accessing the course as a learner. Now let's get started with the start learning. So when I click on this option, I will actually land on the consumption page of the course, wherein I can start accessing the activities which have been uploaded as the course schedule. So this is a PowerPoint presentation. I can maximize the screen and I can start accessing the content. I also have an option wherein I can zoom in or zoom out a particular slide. In case the trainer has allowed me the download access, then I can also download the document, and one by one I can start consuming the content here. So this is a video file which I can access as a learner. I have an option that I can also maximize it. Similarly, if you have a test which is a part of the course, then you can see the basic instructions here. You can also see the passing score which has been defined by the instructor, and on the top right you can get started with start test. So here you can see that this is a MCQ type test wherein you can choose the correct answers. Once you are done, you can submit the test. Immediately after the submission of the test, you get to see your comprehensive scorecard wherein you can see the total number of marks scored by you, your rank, total number of seconds taken, how many correct answers and how many wrong answers. You can also see your percentile from here, and in case the trainer has allowed you the review access, then you can also see the answer key. So here you can see that how many answers you have answered as correct and how many answers you have answered as incorrect. Once you have reviewed, you can click on done and close the scorecard. Now you can see that the next content here is meant for April 18th, and even if I click on this content, I will not be able to access it because today is April 17th, which means that within a scheduled course I can only access the content which is meant for today or which is meant for the past, but I cannot access the content which is meant for the future. If in case there is an assignment which has been assigned to you by the instructor, then on top right you find an option of submitting an assignment. So you can click on this option. You have an option from where you can browse your assignment, whatever assignment you have completed, and you also have an option of adding up your custom message. Once you have uploaded the content and added your comments, then you can click on submit assignment. Then you see that you get this message, assignment submitted successfully. Then you can see that your submission has been done on April 17th, 2018. Once you successfully complete your course, you find an option of viewing your certificate. In case you want to download, you have an option of downloading the same. And within the certificate, you find your name, the course you have completed, the organization who has offered this course, their logo is visible, and the date on which the course has been completed by the learner. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this video will help you to attend an online scheduled course as a learner in WizIQ.